Some of our decats, downpipes, resonator deletes, silencer deletes. Some more downpipes. Mark 5 Golf GTI. Mark 5 Golf GTI. Resonator deletes at the bottom. Subaru Impreza rear strut braces. Mark 4 Golf GTI, real carbon fibre. It's a cold air feed induction kit, so it sits behind the front bumper. BMW M5 rear diffuser. Fiesta ST180, ST200 rear corner spats. These sides got splitters here. Proper drift. Nissan 350Z side skirt splitters. Nissan Skyline decat downpipe. Mark 5 GTI downpipes Golf. Mark 4 Golf GTI Miltech centre section of exhaust. Mark 5 Golf GTI resonator delete. These are Mark 5 Volkswagen Golf GTI resonator deletes. Top one is a silenced one, so if you don't want it as loud, obviously there's a silencer in there. Second one is if you do want it louder. Another Mark 5 GTI decat pipe. Focus ST decat. Mark 4 Golf GTI decats. Mark 4 Golf GTI. This is the other part of the Miltech exhaust to go with that part there. We have got the actual Miltech back box as well, which is the it's the discreet one, so it doesn't actually have the tailpipes. Well, it's the tailpipes, but when it's actually fitted, the tailpipes are hidden behind the rear bumper. Again, this was all off the same car, so it's all one complete Miltech system. And then we've got one day OST decat pipe. These STs do have two decats. One of them sold. This is just one other one that's left. Last one in stock.